Hello everyone, my name is Pooja Devidas Nikam. So today's date 17 January 2022. So I am going to explain on today's topic difference between procedure programming and object oriented programming language. So firstly, why using a Java programming language, procedure programming language, and another one is OOPS programming language. So what is a procedure programming language and what is a OOPS programming language? So first one is I can explain the what is a procedure programming language. So procedure programming language used to the C programming language. So it's a, basic programming language. Basic programming language to the procedure programming language, and is a to follow the procedure programming language is a step by step approaches, and used to the breakdown into the task to the collection, and collection of variables in using a procedure programming language. So it's called as a procedure programming language. So procedure programming language is based on the assembly language, and so it's a procedure programming language is also used to the compiler and code execution. So it's used to the procedure programming language. So procedure programming language is support the pointer, it's also used to the 32 keywords, and it support to the it does not support to the multiple inheritors, and it does not support the inheritor. So another one is so procedure programming languages support the overloading, and so it's support the overloading, and another one is so it's a malloc, and calloc is a allocation in a C programming language is a procedure programming language. So it's called as a procedure programming language. So it's a procedure programming language is used to the code and stepwise is a producer to the develop to the application. So it's called as a procedure programming language. So it's used to the procedure programming language use a bank account. So it's a app using then create the initial account, then is creating the deposit and withdraw, and get account and deposit withdraw. So it's used to the procedure programming language. So I can explain the another one programming language is a OOPS programming language. So OOPS programming language is used to the object is also used to the Java programming language, and it's a OOPS language is also object oriented programming language 100%. So it's used to the based on it's also based on OOPS programming language is also based on C programming language. So it's OOPS programming language is also support the compiler, and another one is so it's using 63 keywords, and so it's support to the inheritance in the OOPS programming language. So OOPS programming language is also available in four pillars: abstraction, encapsulation, polymorphism, and inheritance, and is called as a OOPS programming language. So OOPS programming language is a object oriented programming language, and another one is a OOPS programming language is also overloading and overriding overload is available. So another one is a malloc, and calloc is also available. So it's used to the OOPS programming language. And so OOPS programming is also used to the malloc and calloc allocation, and another one is a multi-threading. Multi-threading is does not support in OOPS programming language. So it's called as a OOPS programming language. So OOPS programming language is also available in a pointer, and another one is so it's used to the data type and structure union is also available in OOPS programming language. So firstly is available in OOPS programming language, and mostly OOPS programming concept is available in Java programming language. So it's called as a OOPS programming language. So I can explain the difference between OOPS procedure programming language and another one is OOPS programming language. So OOPS is also object oriented programming language. So procedure programming language is also used to the step by step execution of the program, and step by step execution of the program, and using using a procedure programming language. So OOPS object-oriented programming language is also designed the programming to the available in data and objects. So it's used to the Java programming language. So it's security to the less procedure programming language is also less the object less secure to the procedure programming language. So OOPS programming language is also hiding the data and object oriented programming language. So it's due to the abstraction, and abstraction is also using OOPS programming language. So approaches is used to the C programming language is also top down approaches, and C++ approaches is also used to the bottom up approaches. So it's used to the OOPS programming language. So it's used to the structure and procedure in procedure programming language orientation, and is also OOPS programming language is also object oriented. So it's support the it support the procedure does not support the inheritance in a procedure programming language, and OOPS support the OOPS support the inheritance in a OOPS programming language. So it's a code reusability code is does not code reusability of a procedure programming language, and OOPS programming language is also code is a reusability of the reusability of the code in inheritance. So it's called as a OOPS programming language, and overloading support to the OOPS programming language, and does not support the procedure oriented programming language. So it's called as a procedure programming language. So it's example of procedure programming language is also C, and Pascal, and VB is also procedure programming language example. Then another one is example of .NET, and C Sharp, Java, VB.NET, and C++ is also example of OOPS programming language. So it's data hiding to not a way not a use in a proper way procedure programming language, and data hiding is also used to the OOPS programming language. So it's using a it's using a Java, it's using a OOPS programming language. So C programming language is also class is header file is also studio.h, and is a procedure programming language file is also used to the hash include studio.h. So it's a procedure programming language, and OOPS programming language is also hash include iostream dot h. So it's used to the object oriented programming language. So it's all about the OOPS and procedure programming language. So thank you for watching video.